How to fix Telegram files not showing in File Manager Android. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to fix your Telegram files not showing in File Manager. So if Telegram files are not showing up in your File Manager on Android device, it could be due to several reasons. So for that case, first of all, you need to make sure that the Telegram app and check the Telegram settings. Go to your Telegram application and tap the tab bar icon and go to settings. While you're on this page, scroll down a bit and go to data and storage, and here make sure that you've enabled or turn on the button for save the downloads. After that, you can also make sure that the Telegram has the necessary permission to access your device's storage. You can go to your device's settings, find the app or file manager section, and Telegram can uncheck its permission. So for that case, long press on your Telegram and go to the app info page, and here you can go ahead and select permission and make sure that you've enabled permission or not. And sometimes File Manager app allows you to specify which folders to display or open your file display. You can open your File Manager app, navigate to its settings, and ensure that the Telegram folder or download folder is selected to be displayed. If nothing seems to be working out, then you can close the Telegram app and your File Manager completely and then reopen them. Sometimes restarting app can help resolve temporary glitches as well. If that's also not working out, then you can go ahead and clear cache as well as data. So while you're on the app info page, you can go to the storage and cache, and here you can go to clear cache. This should be able to fix your issue all at once. If that's not working out, then you can also use your File Manager to navigate to the Telegram folder manually by default and Telegram download files to the Telegram folder in your device's internal storage. You can also look for this folder and see if your files are there. If none of the steps work, you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the Telegram app. This could help reset any settings or configuration that may be causing the issue. Now ensure that the device has enough storage available. If your device storage is full, Telegram may not be able to save file properly. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix your Telegram file not showing in File Manager. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.